Good morning, dear all. I'm Satish, the faculty of MBA. So my subject is entrepreneurship. Okay, so as you know, everyone, as we discussed earlier class, is regarding the what overview of entrepreneurship. What are the important concepts it will comes under? It has comes under entrepreneurship, and also, so what are the contemporary issues has been involving in that subject. As earlier, we have done all the chapters introduction, right? So today, we're going to lesson two, which is relevant to what are the components of entrepreneurship. So, okay, so what are the basic terms and its importance? Then just we understanding about the minimum basic concepts of entrepreneurship. Okay, so then let's start. So what is entrepreneurship? Yes, already I told you. So entrepreneurship means the being entrepreneurship means being willing to take the first step. This is very very important. Okay, then this is the cup of coffee means, for example, is the energy. So there is no energy, there is no action. So that's why this is very very important. There's a cup of tea, the cup of milk, the cup of so ideas that will be created the new creative mind. Okay, that is called this pictorial representation. The next is the Amban is the great is the Reliance, the example, one example of entrepreneur. Okay, so in India, topmost top export, that is called entrepreneur. Okay, so he's the entrepreneur, right? So in India, the Reliance Industries Ltd, right? So everyone knows Geo. So there is no, without Geo, then we cannot survive well in India. So that is the impact. Entrepreneur creative mind is the creative mind as the creative idealism, the creative products and services entering into the market. So that is called the big impact on Indian economy, as well as the good recognitions by the so entrepreneurs towards the in our country. So that is very very important. So example, one example is that guy, so entrepreneur. Okay, so the next one is the what are the key facts of entrepreneurship. So what are the key facts? Okay, so what are the key facts means, the first thing, entrepreneurs means being willing to take the first step. This is the first meaning of. Then second thing, the being entrepreneur means having a plan, vision, and pushing through even when the times get tough. That is called entrepreneur means. Just these are the examples of entrepreneur means. True, what is the really meaning of entrepreneur? Okay, so an entrepreneur require action, the perseverance, on conviction. These are very very important. Okay, there is no action, there is no entrepreneur. There is no perseverance, there is no entrepreneur. There is no convictions, there is no entrepreneur. This is very very important. Okay, right? Then we'll go for next one. Is being entrepreneur means tackling the hardest problems. Yes, so are you tackle the problems? Are you are you love with the hardest problems? Are you love with the problems, or happiness? Then we are who loves with on the problems. Then there's called as entrepreneur. Okay, so entrepreneur means creating an inspiring change. Yes, yes, entrepreneur means who creating, who inspired, who change the world. That is called entrepreneur. Okay, so that is called who creative ideas, who create the inspiring, who create the changes. That is called as entrepreneur. This is called just the key facts of what about entrepreneurship. Okay, then this is the what is the difference between, so what is the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship and enterprises? Okay, what is entrepreneur, what is entrepreneurship, what is enterprises? So here, I mentioned there are mainly three important. The flow chart is regarding the this is the smart chart. It indicates entrepreneur means person, entrepreneurship means it is the process of business. The next, enterprise means it is the outcome of the business. That is very very important. What is the difference between entrepreneur, who is someone who is willing to take the action? So entrepreneurship, who is the someone willing to take the action? So that is called the business process. Okay, business process. So by the entrepreneur. Okay, business process by entrepreneur. Regarding enterprise means which is relevant to the profit and losses, which is relevant to the rewards and achievements, which is relevant to the awards and recognitions. That is called enterprises. This is completely or just a little bit information about What is the difference between entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and enterprises? These are very very important facts. Yeah, this is the entrepreneur. Who is the entrepreneur? Exactly, who is the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who establish and manage the enterprise. That is called entrepreneur. Yes, I am entrepreneur, so I am a person who establish. I am establisher who manage. I am the managing of the my company. That is called entrepreneur. Okay, so entrepreneur is a person who organize. Yes, I am organizer. Who operates? Yes, I am operator. Who business? Yes, this is my business. Who is tackle? Yes, I have problems, I can solve. That is the greater way. Yes, my business is finance risk, I can bear the risk. That is called the financial risk. In order to so that is called those type of people who are called as entrepreneurs. Okay, there are mainly three important factors involving in entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a starter. Okay, so I'm a starter, I called as entrepreneur. So I'm a driver. Yes, I'm an entrepreneur. So I'm entrepreneur. Yes, I'm accountable, I'm responsible. Yes, I'm entrepreneur. These are called important points of entrepreneur. Okay, this is very very important. Entrepreneur is a visionary passionate person who apt towards sports opportunities, create customers, then creates innovative values. These are very very important point. Okay, these are next one. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship means, okay, entrepreneurship is the process. Okay, it is the process. Entrepreneurship, it is the process. This is the cyclical process. Okay, entrepreneurial process. So business, developing the business plan, then resource, what are the resources, how we can manage our company, how can harvest, then how what will be discovered, what will be discovered in the upcoming the future. These are called as complete processing of entrepreneurship by the entrepreneur. This is called entrepreneurship, who is someone willing to take the risk by the proper entrepreneurial process, has to regarding which regards the then outcome regards. This is the profit or loss regards. Okay, this is very very important entrepreneurial concept. Okay, yeah, this is very very important right now. Now we are now every company is every human being, every populations, every country, each country, they are living under their survival enterprises 2.0. Yes, nowadays enterprise 2.0, right? So because 2.0 is already I told you the web 2.0. 2.0 is nothing but internet. Okay, internet under social media. This is very very important 2 point right now. So but there are mainly what are the important things. These are very very important things. It will comes according to so entrepreneur planning. This is called business model. Okay, this is complete the business model, who is someone willing to take the initiatives as an entrepreneur, then they will make it a blueprint like as a business model. Okay, this is the model. So then first what are the important important essential key points. So it will comes under enterprises. The first thing is technology that enabler people. Yes, nowadays the technology is very very important, right? Then without collaborate by technology, collaborate by technical skills, collaborate by remote learning, collaborate by virtual labs. This nowadays this type of enterprise is available for upcoming the future, not yet. Okay, so this is very very important. Then what are the application? The application of web 2.0. Yes, the application of web 2.0 means complete internet technology, complete digital skills, complete technical teacher, complete technical entrepreneur, complete techno business and fintech experts, HR tech experts, marketing technical experts. These are very very important. Complete by touch with internet technology. That is the different types of ICT tools also. Information and communication technology, ICT tool also, that can be help more towards the business. Okay, and also a new set of technologies, models, and methods. Yes, so to use to develop by deliver the business software. The next generation of knowledge management. Yes, we prepare for the future up for 5 years and 10 years. So knowledge management, not today, not for today, not for tomorrow. So we preparing for the next generation of the future. That is called entrepreneur, next generation entrepreneur. Okay, these are all it will comes under. So what are the services? What are the types of services? Nowadays the digital services, nowadays is the cloud services, nowadays is the technical services. These are all different types of service products and services in widely spread entire the world. The globally the all we can deal with all the types of digital transactions. Okay, digital transactions and online transactions. This is called as technical transactions by using different type of softwares. That is called 2.0, then web 2.0. So later we'll be discuss everything. So these are the business models. What are the business model? These are the business model. This completely overview of entrepreneur. The complete view of idea of entrepreneur. What are the ideas? There are mainly three factors: influencers, competitive opportunities, competitive pressure, business trends, regulations. Then we'll go for next according to this one. Then you go for business model. Yes, what are the business model? Then what is the competency? What are the assets? What are the cost? What is the value? Then who are the customer? What we consumer needs? What are the consumer needs? What are the products and services? Who are the partners? Then what is the who are the business clients? So what about B2B channel? Then how does connected with our business? Then what are the areas? These are complete business model as you think as a entrepreneur. Okay. Then next we'll go for business factors. What are the business factors? Then according to factors, so how does which factors impact on your business model? Say example, this is the business governance. Yes, what are the business governance? How does it impact your business model? Okay, what is the capabilities? What are the capabilities? How does it impact your business? Okay, how does advantage and disadvantages? All those things, and then according to model. Okay, the next one is the IT governance. What are the changes about India IT governance? What are the Indian government IT policies? IT policies. What about IT access? Then what are the IT point of view? Then next, what are the people? Who are the people? What type of people? What type of skills have? What type of requirements they need? What type of service they want? All those things as a entrepreneur you will be think where is the opportunities. Then we'll look for the economic opportunities, right? Then what is the process? Then process is nothing but entrepreneurial process. This is complete overview of what is enterprises 2.0. Then next, what how does it makes good business model. Okay. Yeah, these are very important. The examples of what is enterprise and what is entrepreneur. Say example, enterprises means Microsoft, it is an enterprise. Okay, entrepreneur means the Bill Gates is the entrepreneur. This is the simple difference. Where is the it is the established, Microsoft is the established company, so that what we call it as entrepreneur. Then entrepreneur means Bill Gates is the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs who will the taking the who will taking the challenges. That is who is the risk bearer. This is the entrepreneur, creative mind, innovator, entrepreneurial innovator, IT innovator, technical innovator, all those things, the innovator. That is called entrepreneur. So he is the CEO of Satya Nadella. This is the enterprises. He is the CEO of Nature. This is called human capital. This is the right human capital towards the working human process. So he selected, as a Bill Gates was selected as a right candidate, the right place, the right market as a CEO of this company. So that is called human resource capital, HRM. Then what he said, so I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all subjects. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft. I am the owner of Microsoft. What is the difference? The difference between employee and employer. The difference between what is who is the employee and who is the owner. This is the owner is what we called as business or business entrepreneur. The employee is nothing but is the business employee. That is the difference between business employee versus a business entrepreneur or business owner. This is the complete simple idea about what is enterprise, what is entrepreneur. Yeah, these are the basic terms. What are the basic terms? This is the complete creative and innovative and IT technology. This is called this picture indicates, for example, what is a digital driven technology. That is called digital revolution. Okay, this is the only way alone this that boy, that person has been going but traveling for life. This is called the entrepreneur as a owner of the business. Okay, this is called entrepreneur logo. So what are the basic terms? Entrepreneur, enterprise, entrepreneurship opportunities, entrepreneur action, entrepreneur thinking, nature of entrepreneurship, innovation, creativity, new ideas, business models, incubator, so accelerator, co-working, startup. These are all basic idea about the basic terms of entrepreneurship. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much coming about joining this sessions, everyone. So this is a valuable my valuable presentation in front of you. Then I hope well, so understanding very easily manner. Then I'm talking about upcoming prepare for the future, not today. So my content is also prepare for the future, not for today. So thank you so much. Thank you for so great opportunities given by so or GB or degree or PG courses, the great platform. So from so Anupati, so Rajmandri. Thank you very much. Thank you for all, one and all.